This is the story of a girl who fell in love with the little brother's friend. And when he does find out, things could get awkward.
Joey, would you stop playing video games?
But there's nothing else to do.
I have a pool table.
Then let's play.
Wait, we don't have enough time to play.
But love can happen in a blink of an eye.
Love can happen in a blink of an eye.
But Lindsay,
Lindsay!
What's that? Knock, knock, knock on the door.
It's not what it looks like.
I think it is what it looks like.
But he's my best friend.
He's got a good point.
but I love her.
He's also got a good point.
But she's my sister.
Once again, another good point.
Guys, wait.
She said, wait.
We're in love.
Supposedly they're in love. This is when it gets awkward.
You little rat.
He hit the wrong person.
This is when we brawl.
That's a synonym for fighting.
That's when it gets awkward.